Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. For today's video I have something quite interesting and something unusual, I think. So I have a LED cap with LED lights, which I think is going to be interesting to see in today's video. So I have it here. I purchased it a couple of weeks ago actually from Amazon, and this is the hat. It looks like a normal cap, but there's a secret. So the cap comes with a battery, and also there's a USB port inside, and there's a button that you can switch the cap on. And now from normal generic cap, now you are the party animal. So as you can see, also comes with the app as well, which this is interesting. So the app is quite nice and pretty easy to connect. Also you need to switch your Bluetooth on and the GPS on when you connect for the first time. And yeah, I mean that's pretty interesting hat that you can use basically every day, and it's nice. It's a nice hat, and in my opinion you can do a lot of stuff. I don't know if you can see. Also you can write stuff like hello, or you can put a message on the screen, which is nice. And I think it's a nice hat to have. But let me know in the comments down below if you think this is gonna be interesting for you. I do like the hat, looks nice, and it's all black, and I like the design, and I think it's a nice hat. Let me try to put some message here on the. So let me see. So you can make yourself some designs as well, which this is nice. Comes with DIY. Also you can change the size, the sensitivity, the brightness, also how fast this can go. You can put pictures as well. So let me try something. So I don't know if you can see. This is nice. Can you see properly now? So we have I love you. Also we have a Pac-Man, which this is nice. Also a Running Man. Also we have a reminder, message, and call. That's interesting. So you get the point. So basically you can customize. The app is pretty easy to use, and there's a music option as well here, which is nice. So if you play music, there's gonna be something here. So let me try to play something here. So as you can see, the equalizer. I don't want to get some copyright. So yeah, I mean, I think the hat is nice. It's easy to use. So yeah, I mean, it's party. So why not? So you can just be creative and put something nice. You can go to the birthday, you can leave messages, and end of the day it's just normal fun hat to use, in my opinion. You can leave messages, but yeah, I think it's a cool hat to have for parties, for fun. And yeah, let me know what do you think. I think it's a nice hat and party hat. So you're ready for party. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this hat. And yeah, this is Stefan. I hope I see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.